Zachary Fruhling, aka CozyAzeroth here. I have been working my way through an old computer programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A Home Computer by Len Turner. I am at program number 44, Number Reverser. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates the TI-99 4A on a modern PC, type the program into TI Basic, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 44, Number Reverser. Give your computer any 3-digit number, and as a result of this particular programming trick, it will reverse the original number. For example, 789 will be transformed into 987, or 123 into 321. It takes your 3-digit number apart and reassembles it in reverse order. Okay, this is a fairly short program. Let's get into TI Basic and Classic 99. 10, call clear. 20, input, enter a 3-digit number. Enter a 3-digit number. And I'm going to get the punctuation exactly as written in the original program. Okay, we're going to call that a numeric variable n. Okay, 30. If n is less than 100, then 20. If n is less than 100, then 20. 40. If n is greater than 999, n is greater than 999, then 20. 50, a equals integer of n divided by 100. 60, b equals, okay, we got a bit of a string here, it's got to be careful, integer 10 times parenthesis parenthesis n divided by 100, okay, n parenthesis minus a in parenthesis, okay? 70. C equals integer 10 times, okay, parenthesis, n divided by 10, okay, looks like minus parenthesis integer parenthesis n divided by 10, and then 4 in parentheses. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I think we're good. Okay. Hopefully there's no typos there. We'll see when we run it. 80, a string equals str string, another string of a, $90, b string equals string of b, basically converting these numbers into a string, 100, c string equals string of c, converts variable c into a string. Okay, 110, call clear. 120, print. The old number was, okay, we've got a space, end quote, and semicolon n. 130, print the new number is like. Okay, semicolon, C string, semicolon, B string, and A string. Okay, B string, semicolon, A string. 140 print, 150 print. And 160, go to 20. Okay, let's clear the screen and list out the program. Looking for any obvious typos here. Hopefully there's no errors on lines 50, 60, or 70, these long-ish equations. Let's run. Enter a 3-digit number. I don't know, let's do my area code. How about that? 831, the new number is 138. Okay, let's just bend it a few times here. 916, 619, 96. Oh, 3-digit number. Run. Okay. 960. 069. Okay, how about 415, 514, and of course if we do 666 we get 666. Okay, how about 209, 902, how about 497. Yeah, it's working pretty rock solid. I think we did a good job typing it in. Alrighty, so you get the basic idea. What's interesting about this program, let's list it out again. Basically, uses these math tricks on line 50, 60, and 70 to figure out the right numbers. Lines 80 through 100 convert those numbers into strings, and then those strings can be connected together lighted together on line 130. Print the new number as C string, B string, A string. So it just prints them out as strings. And they look like numbers on the screen, but they're really just strings being printed out, interestingly enough. Anyways, that was program number 44, Number Reverser, from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. I had this book when I was a kid, used to carry it around, pour over it at school, come home and type these programs into TI Basic when I got home. And I got a bee in my bonnet some time ago to run through all 101 of these programs in an emulator. I'm using the Classic 99 emulator, which I highly recommend if you're interested in the TI-99 4A. Emulates a TI-99 4A very well on a modern PC. If you're watching this live on Twitch, be sure to check out my YouTube channel. You can find it under my Twitch handle, CozyAzeroth, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, lots and lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on a host of topics of interest to me professionally and personally. And if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to check out my Twitch channel, CozyAzeroth, for live streams and all the above. In any case, I really appreciate all the likes, follows, enthusiasm, and especially subscriptions, which help me out greatly in these difficult financial times. Thank you very much, and I'll be back soon with the next video in the series. I'm going to peek ahead. What is the next program here? Exam Score Sorter. So stay tuned for that one. I'm going to be starting and stopping the stream periodically. Apologies in advance for any gaps between streams. I've got to do a few things to get these videos uploaded to YouTube. But you can check out all the previous videos in this series so far on my YouTube channel, and all the ones yet to come. We're going to do this book, and then I have some other TI-99 4A things I have planned after I finish this book. So over the next few days, maybe a couple weeks, I'm going to be finishing all 101 of these videos. So stay tuned. And I really appreciate everyone's enthusiasm. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next program.